after this guy. We're gonna nail it. Ready? Oh shit. Oh, we already broke it. Okay, completely broke it. My foot is on the floor and it's not moving. So there's that. And we're gonna try to figure this out real quick.
Hi, my name is Gear Down. I'm a pilot and AMP-IA mechanic. I currently manage and captain a handful of Gulfstreams for some A-list celebrities and musicians. This channel is going to take you behind the scenes with me as I go on adventures around the world. We're going to go backstage to concerts, behind the scenes to film and TV shoots, and all kinds of other crazy excursions outside the airport environment. My goal with this channel is to show you guys there's an entire world of Part 91 private flying that's available to you as a career. I hope you enjoy all the content I've been putting together the last couple of years.
Welcome to today's video. This is not the video I was planning on giving you guys today, but now we got the intro to the intro because it's not how things worked out. I picked up my brand new 2024 CyberBeast from Tesla the other day and it broke not even 6 inches off the lot. So today's video was supposed to show you guys how practical it is to get the jet ready with the CyberBeast. That girl right up there. And unfortunately, it didn't work out that way. So it is what it is. Thank you, Elon. The thing literally broke like 30 times on me the first day I had it, which absolutely sucked. So that being said, if you guys want to check out more videos on the Cybertruck and all my other cars and all the other stuff I do that's not airplanes, follow my other channel. It's youtube.com/@wheels_down. It's in the description below and I'll put it on the screen here. Now, last little bit of housekeeping. Gear Down 3 green hoodies. I'm blowing these out 50% off every single one until we go out of stock. I don't know if I'm going to bring them back, so it is what it is. All right, enough of this bloviating. Let's get straight into the video. I'll see you guys right there with my broken Cybertruck.
Here, CyberBeast. Let's get this sucker. Oh, we gotta let Dino out. That's how we do this. Guys, we just got to Tesla in Irvine. Everything's all dialed in. They're supposed to be bringing out the Beast at any moment. So I'm sitting here patiently waiting to see what happens, but I can't wait to get my eyes on this thing. This guy over here just bought one. It's not a Beast though, so we don't care if anyone wants to see that thing. No Beasts. I got the only Beast in town right now. We're legit one of the launch customers for the Beast, and I'm super thankful for it. So shout out Tesla. Elon, I love you. Crazy. You guys gotta pay attention to that little tiny logo on the tailgate. It's got 3 heads, and that tells you something. That means 3 motors, 800 some horsepower, 10,000 something foot-pound of torque, 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. Things faster than my McLaren. It weighs 7,000 pounds. This is insane. I can't wait to drive it. I am so pumped on this car. This thing is absolutely crazy. Confirmed bulletproof. We got the CyberBeast edition. Let me see how I get there. Hang on. Only one that says it. All the rest say Cybertruck right there. CyberBeast lets you know we got the big dogs. Turn this off so I don't get copyrighted. Yeah, so the other thing that's unique about the CyberBeast has the suede where all the rest of them, they're plastic right here. so you don't get the sway dash. And dude, this thing's out of control. So you go to dynamics, and we go to Mr. Beast mode. I can't wait to drive it. They're having a little software glitch right now, waiting for my paperwork to get finished so we can actually drive it out. But for right now, we just get to sit and play in it. But it is mine. Life's good. We also have no hubcaps, but Tesla's a little behind. Oh, one other thing. I did order this fully spec with the light bar. They said I won't get the light bar for 2 weeks. I'll have to bring it back and then they'll install it because in true Tesla fashion, they are behind on everything. This is so crazy. I don't even know how to drive this fucking thing, but we're gonna figure out. We're gonna hope we don't crash into anything. But here goes nothing. The gas pedal is so touchy. Something that's kind of screwed up is we don't have any autopilot at all. Tesla said they're not going to activate the autopilot for like 1 or maybe 2 months even. So it's just crazy, but it sucks. Fuck this. How do we get to fast mode? I said we were going to take it easy, but we don't have time for that. Hey, check this shit out. This is my Rolls Royce got that Rolls Royce in the rearview mirror there. We do it a little different around here. After this guy, we're gonna nail it. Ready? Oh shit. Oh, we already broke it. Alright, well. He literally broke it right out the gate. Oh my god. Hey, Elon, what are you doing, bro? How's it already broken? Alright, first off, alright, let's go switch it back. We didn't do any of this. Alright. Bro. How did I already break this shit? Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know how to turn the turn signals on or anything. Alright, so we're locked in for a minute. This is so... Yeah, it's like in lit mode too. I'm flooring it. Nothing's happening. Oh my god. Okay. So I like turn that down. Alright, so my Cybertruck is completely broken. My foot is on the floor and it's not moving. So there's that. And we're gonna try to figure this out real quick. We're gonna have to drive it back like a whole mile at 4 miles per hour. Alright. Okay, shut up. Let's go to power mode and see if that helps. Beast. Nope. Still we got 4 miles an hour. Alright, let me get out and tell Dino what's going on. Okay, quick little reset. We're good to go. She's back. She just she wasn't expecting her first 1/3 of a mile to be in beast mode, so we're gonna make it. It's so fast. This thing's so fast. Dino! Alright, we'll just pull up on it. Easy, this thing just like stops. There has to be a way to figure that out somehow. I know on my other Tesla you could adjust that shit. I have no clue. We just need autopilot though. I've already almost sideswiped like 2 people. Oh, sorry, Dino. It'd be so great if he rear ends me in my Rolls Royce right now. I get 2 new cars and it's not even my fault. Shout out Progressive. This is terrible. Go back into my Rolls Royce. All right, that's it. We got the CyberBeast back to Huntington Beach. This thing is so insane. The features are out of control. Like, dude, this is so crazy. Oh, there we go. It's so sick. The most important thing, they really should have made that say CyberBeast. I think that would have been dope. Let's see if it closes with the app. This is so cool. So that's pretty dope. Alright, so the coolest thing about the Cybertruck, which you guys are gonna, I'm not gonna give away what I'm gonna do in an upcoming video on this thing, but this is super rad. So if you open this sucker up, it's got a built-in cooler. All this stuff comes out, there's a drain in the bottom, so we just fill it with ice and Happy Dad, and we're good to go. Now, one of the craziest things a guy told me that I haven't seen on YouTube is if you check this little spot out right here, you got electrical outlets, and this bad boy is powerful enough to charge another Tesla at 240 volt. So if you're smart, you have a cool idea about what I'm gonna do with the back of this thing. I'm gonna put something really cool in this thing that nobody's done, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for next episode for that one, but it's gonna be insane. First one to do that for sure. Hit a button, it goes down. This whole thing, supposedly you can stand, let's try it. Supposedly you can stand on this thing, and I'm gonna do it. This is like kind of weird. Oh my God. It's like, well, it's not breaking. It's making noise, which I don't like, so we're gonna just hop off of this sucker. Oh, yeah, it's cool. Air Force One prints all over it, but it is what it is. This thing is an absolute showstopper anywhere you go. Like, you guys have seen big Ferraris and Lambos and Rolls and all that cool stuff. But man, nothing turns heads like the CyberBeast right now. Like, it's truly a beast.
Yeah, I figured you could put shoot it with an arrow and bullets.
Yeah, well, yeah, people have shot it with AR-15 so far, so.
Yeah.
Nobody's done the windows yet. Nobody shot at the windows.
Oh, that's
so
true.
I'm gonna do that.
You gonna do that?
Yeah,
we're gonna get on camera?
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, we're gonna. Winning. CyberBeast all day, every day. It's like, dude, you just can't stop. People can't stop taking photos and breaking their necks on this thing.
What is that?
It's so crazy. CyberBeast, Tesla.
Nice.
Thanks, bro.
What kind of car is that?
Ford Ranger.
Oh my God, it's amazing. Can I take a picture of it?
Of course.
Ford Ranger.
Is it what?
Ford Ranger.
Oh, fun.
Truck driver. We love truck drivers.
Bro, they give me such a rush.
Dude, that shit is crazy.
And she's fixed. We're back. That shit's I hit a little finger right now too. Alrighty, day one with the Cybertruck is done. You guys saw, it's just like, this thing is an attention magnet. It's so crazy, so many people. But now I gotta take it back to the shop. We're gonna take it straight to Surf City Detail Garage because this thing is full of fingerprints. It's so disgusting. And literally, it feels like a used car now because so many people sat in it and just germs everywhere. hours, so we gotta get this thing out of here. Beast mode, let's go. Rear end the rolls. This car just, it doesn't want to work. This is a lemon. This is so, like, what's up, Elon? Like, come on. It's crazy. This car has 40 miles on it. 10 miles is shit out of it. There's 44 miles, and this is the 5th time I'm getting a critical steering issue detected. So, let's reset this bitch again. Oh, somebody behind us. Too bad. Safety. Power off. Power off. Boom. Back. Go. Alright, we did
that pretty quick.
Didn't even piss nobody. Hey, I'm getting good at it. You know what I mean? Like, it breaks so much. I'm figuring out how to. So we can still go beast mode light to light. We just gotta reset it. Yo, Anthony! I need some help. Buddy. Bro. We went to Main Street.
Wow.
No, bro, we went to Main Street and I let all these people check out. It's filthy. Like, handprints on everything inside. It's like a refrigerator with like 3-year-olds all over it. So
wow.
I need your help.
Let's do it.
How's the McLaren? All done?
It's polished up, ready to go.
Cool. So I'm gonna leave this with you. You can handle the wrap.
Yes, sir.
Got the wrap done. So all right.
Excited to wrap it.
You guys see it right here. So next time you guys will see it on the channel, it's gonna be a whole different look. Shout out to Anthony. It's gonna be dope. So, oh, this looks great. Got brake calipers looking all right. Wheels are clean. That's why we do it. All right. Let's see if I don't get anything on the way out. Oh, God, getting in the Cybertruck's way easier than this thing. There you have it. We're all done. Cybertruck day one. Thing's filthy. We broke it. People touched it. Somehow or another, there's lipstick marks inside of it. I didn't even see any female get in the thing, but it looks like a little kid, so had to have been somebody's little kids. But good news is, it's in good hands here with Anthony. He's gonna take care of it, get it dialed in, and I gotta go to the jet. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Totally different look on this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me I'm an idiot for buying this truck. I'm a shitty pilot and an even worse aircraft mechanic. Love y'all. Peace.
All right, there you have it. Cyber Brick is officially bricked. Tow truck's here to take this fucking thing away. Thank you so much, Elon. Let's get this thing fixed and back on the road, please, because this is super, super annoying.